बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलामीन अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आलिहि वसहबी अजमाइन. All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. May peace and blessings be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Respect elders, honorable teachers, dear parents, and my very special children. Today I feel very honored to speak a few words about our proud institution. Siddiqui Model Maktab children are not only the future of our Ummah, they are the hope, the light and the strength of tomorrow. Siddiqui Model Maktab is not just a maktab, it is a model of proper Islamic education and modern learning. Dear children, do not only learn the Quran, but they also learn model study, discipline, time management, and excellent Islamic character. This maktab shows us how Islamic and education can go together. Here, Deen and Dunya are balanced with care and wisdom. Our children are being prepared not only for exams but for life, for Samaj and for Akhirat. We are very proud and thankful to our respected head teacher, Mr. Abdul Mokibul Daftari. His vision, his hard work and his love for the children have made Siddiqui Model Maktab a true special for others. We are also sincerely grateful to Mr. Hasibur Rahman. Continues supports the maktab with dedication, care and honesty. Dear parents, when you choose Siddiqui Model Maktab, you are choosing not just a school, you are choosing a bright future for your children. Dear children, you are very lucky. You are learning in a model environment. Respect your children, love your parents, study hard, read the Quran daily, and always remember Allah in your heart. If you follow this path, you will become good students, good Muslim and good human beings. May Allah bless Siddiqui Model Maktab. May Allah protect our children. May Allah give long life and success to our teachers. And may Allah make this maktab a light for the whole society. Amin. Ya Rabbil Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.